done with sunset number 2 of the trip at Battery Spencer. We're gonna head to Muir Woods now to see some forest and trees and stuff. I'll pop up some pictures right now and hope you like them. About halfway through our trail here at the Muir Woods National Monument. It's been super cool to look at these redwoods and to learn about them a little bit and take some photos here. You know, so as I finish up here, I'll throw up some images and hope you enjoy. What's up, everybody? So editor Mark here, and just realized that I didn't really finish that video. From Muir Woods we went up to Lake Tahoe, where we caught a couple of sunrises and skied mostly. So it's coming up on part 3 here, and I appreciate you for sticking around and watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, all those good things. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, see you on the next one. Peace.